In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Bitdefender on Windows 10 or 11. Whether you're switching to a different antivirus solution or simply freeing up some resources on your system. Removing Bitdefender is a straightforward process that I'll guide you through step by step. First, let's head over to the Windows settings. To do this, click on the Start menu, which you can find at the bottom left corner of your screen. From there, locate and click on the gear icon, which will open up the settings window. This is your command center for customizing and managing the core functionalities of your Windows system. Once you're in the settings menu, the next destination is the apps section. Click on the apps option, and you'll be directed to a page where you can view and manage all the applications installed on your computer. This is essentially your app library, allowing you to modify, repair, and, like in our case today, remove unwanted software. After entering the Apps section, you'll see a tab called Apps and Features. Click on that, and you'll be presented with a comprehensive list of all the applications currently installed on your machine. This can sometimes be an extensive list, so don't worry if it takes a moment to find what you're looking for. Now, the trick here is to scroll down through the list until you find Bitdefender. Depending on how many apps you have installed, you might need to scroll for a bit, but it's there. You could also use the search bar located above the list to type in Bitdefender for a quicker search result. Once you find Bitdefender, click on its name. You'll notice an Uninstall button appearing under the Bitdefender entry once you've selected it. Go ahead and click on that button. You might be prompted with a dialog box asking you to confirm that you want to proceed with the uninstallation. Confirm your choice by clicking Uninstall again. This step ensures you're certain about removing the application. The system will now begin the uninstallation process. This might take a few minutes, so be patient while Windows removes Bitdefender from your system. During this process, make sure not to shut down your PC or exit out of the process prematurely to avoid any complications. And there you have it. Bitdefender is now uninstalled from your Windows 10 or 11 computer. It's always a good idea after uninstallation to restart your system. This allows your computer to refresh and ensures that any residual files or processes that were associated with Bitdefender are completely cleared out. If you're planning to install a new antivirus software, you can do so after the restart. So, now you're all set with a system that's free from Bitdefender. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tech tutorials for more helpful tips.